Hello beautiful people. Today is Valentine. Happy Valentine's Day. I want to make Valentine's breakfast. So guys, I want to make Valentine's breakfast. So as you can see, this is banana and this is egg. This is an overripe banana. I want to make banana pancake today. So guys, now I will wash my banana very well, and then after washing I will go ahead and peel it and then mash it. So just watch this video till the end and get how I'm going to prepare this amazing recipe. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like and share. Drop a sweet comment on the comment section. You can see the banana is overripe, so if you have an overripe banana in your home, don't discard it. Use it for an amazing recipe. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, I want to mix the flour. Add water and mix the flour. So I'll break my egg now and add it. So guys, I pour the egg here and I'll mix it. So now I will add sugar
I don't want to add too much sugar because the banana is already sweet. So just add a little sugar and mix it. And then this is milk. I'll add milk. That is milk. I'll mix it. This is our Valentine breakfast. Valentine's Day breakfast. Now I will add salt. That's salt. And mix it. This is pepper and onion. Okay, so guys, now I will add my mashed banana and mix it very well. So I'm done mixing. Now I will go ahead and fry it. Our pancake, our Valentine's breakfast. This is my vegetable oil. Wow, our Valentine's breakfast is ready. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This is my Valentine breakfast. Take a look. Mwah. Thank you for watching.